What's up guys, welcome back to my new video. And guys, do you know what is a special day today? Today is my father's birthday. So guys, I'm so excited. And guys, me and my mom have planned a thing. We have planned a candlelight dinner, and me and my mom will make a cake, homemade chocolate cake. I'm so excited to make it. So guys, now let me go and wish my father. And guys, I will show what my father is making today. And I think my father have bought something today. Here is my father's. Let me wish happy birthday.
Thank you.
Guys, I have gifted a t-shirt to my father. This is the yellow t-shirt he is wearing. I love you.
Love you too.
Guys, so my father is busy in work, so he is not listening to me. How did you like this t-shirt, Papa?
It was too good. Thank you for the beautiful gift.
Welcome. Guys, so let's see what my father bought today. Oh, mango. Oh, pan fruit also. It's so clean, my favorite. So me and my mom prepared half of the cake. See, you can see the circle is so it is so clear. See guys. Now guys, we are planning how to decorate it and how to make the cream. So now we will make it. And here is our chocolate, dark compound chocolate. So we will put this also. So guys, after having our lunch, we will decide how to decorate. For that time, bye. Guys, after having lunch, we were busy in making the cake. So let me show you what me and my mom have made. Guys, you all can see the cake. It's looking so beautiful. And guys, see the side design. You all can see it's looking so beautiful. Now guys, we see the room is so tidy because of the cake. We are doing it. So guys, now we will cut the cake. I will show you all about cutting the cake. For that time, bye. And now we are decorating. Now we are blowing the balloons. And guys, a good thing is that my father is at a meeting, so that's why he does not know. And guys, me, my mom, everybody's blowing the balloon. As I told you that now I am blowing balloons. So at home only we have got an idea in a sauce bottle. So we have painted the sauce bottle, and on this we will put floating candle. And guys, you all can see this we bought from outside, and this here is the water and the rose flower. Guys, on this also we will put the floating candle. It will look so beautiful. And on this also we will put floating candle. We have already tested. It was looking so awesome in look. So guys, when the cake will get cut, I will meet you all. The moment has come and my father is coming. Guys, see, my father is coming. See guys, he's talking in the phone, and see guys, see the decoration. See the decoration. And guys, this is the cake which my mom have made. And let me show you a thing. See guys, the balloons. Oh, here also. And guys, my father is so excited. He's surprised. Guys, it is the cake time. To you. Happy birthday to you, Papa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Guys, and I told you that this is a homemade cake. So how it is looking, please write in the comment chat. Guys, now my father will eat me the cake. Thank you.
Beauty. Wow.
Guys, it is homemade cake, but it is tastes like outside cake. It's so yummy. Guys, now my father will eat the cake to my mother. Happy birthday!
Thank you. पटा लिया?
Guys, now today also my mother has prepared something else in drinks. Oh, this is Green Lagoon. And now we are going to cheers. Cheers! Guys, the taste is similar to Blue Lagoon, but it is more tasty. Okay, guys. Guys, now let's see what my mother have planned. Now we are going to do dance. Because of COVID-19, we did not bought anything from outside. We have made this at home. This is chicken burger. Guys, now it is the dance. Friends, it is the dance time and we are enjoying a lot. Here my father is dancing and my mother is also dancing. Let me show. Guys, and you can see my all videos, a short video in Instagram. Okay, guys, now when I will have see, guys, the balance. Guys, I'm drinking Pepsi. So guys, it is the dinner time. So let us see what my mom has made at the dinner. It is fish tikka. And here is chicken tikka. And here is chicken nuggets. And here are some sauce. And guys, see chicken biryani. And here is the mocktail drink. So this all are made at home because of COVID, we have not brought from anything. Guys, after having my dinner, I will meet you all. So after having the dinner, the outside was so hot, so we came to AC now in the bedroom. So guys, now it is the dessert time. Let's see what my mom made. Oh, gulab jamun. A small gulab. It's looking so cute, and this is also homemade. And oh, chocolate sweet. And this is a kind of sweet. but I don't know. So guys, let's taste the small cute. So yummy. Guys, and my father has just slept. So let's see he's acting or really sleeping. I will eat a gulab jamun to him also. Come guys, but be quiet. Hello.
Yes.
Hey, you cheater! You have not slept.
Arey, Ani, Dugu, you are still now. You are not sleeping.
No, I'm eating the dessert. Do you want to eat?
Finish fast and go to bed because
No,
it
first
is too
eat the
late.
dessert. First eat the dessert.
Wait.
My mom made. After the dinner, we should always have sweets because it is very good. 1 second, happy birthday.
Thank you.
How is it my mom made?
It is awesome. The taste is so
Oh.
nice.
And here is a chocolate sweet. You want to eat?
I'll try.
Okay.
You also try.
Yeah, I have. No, I cannot. No, Dad. I do not want to eat.
Okay. Try at least
Okay.
one bite.
It's sweet. Do you want to try this?
No, enough.
It's a kind of sweet.
But enough.
Okay, guys, so I'm ending the vlog over here. Meet in my next vlog. So that time, bye.